Hi guys, it's 11th February 2023 and the Honda Civic CTR is officially running. So in today's video, that means we could do some acceleration runs, 0 to 60s and plenty more. I have also got the car cleaned by a detailer, and the first thing I did was check if I had any stone chips. And as you can see, I have picked up one right there, and there is some on the side of the car because this tyre flicks up so many stones onto this section. In fact, Honda have actually put a section here, PPF, to protect it. I wish it was a little bit larger though. On the subject of PPF, I have asked the detailer that washed my car for some PPF for the bonnet and for bumper, which I will wrap by myself. I'm not too sure how that's going to go, but we will find out. I'm a DIY type of guy. I want to do it by myself and see how it goes. Learn a new skill, put it that way. Anyway, let's hear the exhaust note. I'll show you. Just take a listen to this. It doesn't sound that good. So guys, let's do our acceleration runs. I've actually not fully floored this car. I have gone pretty fast, but I haven't floored it fully all the way to the ground. And I've not launched this car at all. Anyway, let's do acceleration runs first. I'm gonna vary these between 20 to 70, 20 to 60, and I'm gonna use individual mode and plus R mode. We'll start off with individual mode first because you could actually turn off the adaptive engine sound off. You can put it in comfort mode and that gets rid of it, which is quite nice. I didn't know that, and someone told me. Thank you to the person who told me. I forgot your name, I'm sorry. Here we go. Right, G meters on. 3, 2, 1. Holy crap. Holy crap. Dude, that's quick. All right, here we go. From 20, let's go. My shifts aren't the best. Oh guys, don't rinse me in the comment section down below for my shifts, all right? Oh my God. Holy schmoly. All right, that was in individual mode. Now let's put it into plus R mode and see the sound difference, because it's actually quite intrusive. It does make it easier to shift, if I'm honest with you, because this engine is pretty quiet. This exhaust even is pretty quiet. It does help you with shifting. Now I did have about 110 miles of range. Let's see how much that goes down by. All right guys, acceleration run number 3. Here we go. From 20, let's see if it loses traction. Actually, let's turn off traction for this. There we go, okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Anyway, whilst I let this car cool down for a few minutes, I want to talk about some of the cool features that I've picked up on whilst driving this car on a daily basis. And one of them is that your windscreen washer is actually embedded within the wiper blades. So I'll show you, for example. So you don't actually see water flick up onto your windscreen. It's actually just within the wiper, and it's pretty cool. Pretty nifty feature. And another cool feature in the 11th generation Honda Civic is that Honda have actually put some special film over this infotainment system. So it doesn't actually show up fingerprints, so I could press on this as many times as I want and it actually stays nice, black and clear. Again, Honda engineering, smart as hell. Let's get out of plus R mode, back into individual mode, and then let's do some of our 0 to 60s. Now, first of all, I need to figure out where, because I don't have one of those V-boxes, I need to figure out where in the rev range 60 miles per hour is and where it kind of sits. So let's get up to 60 miles per hour. Okay, so it is. Actually, let's drop down to second. Let's see if there's. Can I get up to 60 in second? So 6,500 RPM. Okay, got it. So at 6,500 RPM, this hits 60 miles per hour, and we'll go off that. Let's do it here then. Are we ready? Individual mode, no sound. 3, 2, 1, let's go. There. Right, that was good. I find it strange in the US markets that the shift boot bit and the steering wheel is actually leather and not rocks and not Alcantara or fake suede or whatever you want to call it. Although it probably does explain the price difference. Talk about price difference. The FL5 is now $2,000 more than it was back in January. So Honda have actually increased the price. Anyway, second attempt. Let's go for it. 3, 2, 1. This never gets old. All right, let's get a good time. All right, come on. 3, 2, 1. Come on. How was that? I think it's between the 5.5 and 6 second mark. Right. Am I, or is that really slow? Got no idea. We'll figure it out. I might be way off. And for the record, guys, we've gone from 120 miles of range to 80. We've literally driven around in circles. Yeah. Today was a lot of fun. Oh, I tell you what, Honda still haven't fixed, right? They still haven't fixed the stones getting in the shields around the brakes. And it makes this horrible noise. I'll just take a listen to this. Yeah, sounds kind of nasty, right? They still haven't fixed that. If you own an FK8, you know what I'm talking about, or an FL5. This issue is still persisting. Anyway, I'll leave the video right there. Hope you guys did enjoy. It was a lot of fun for me. Hopefully it was a lot of fun for you as well. My next video, I'm probably going to base it off on the sensing and how it's still not improved for the 11th generation Civic. I'll leave it at that. Anyway, yeah, cheers. I'll see you in my next video, and peace.